Hi there. For this video, we are tasked to evaluate this given summation out here. So before we show how to solve this one, feel free to pause the video so that you can try this one first on your own. Okay, so let's start. So first, observe that if we expand this summation out here, we'll obtain 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared and so on, plus 11 squared plus 12 squared. So from this one, we expanded it into this form. Now similarly, we do that for this next summation out here. So expanding this, we'll have 2 squared plus 3 squared and so on, plus 11 squared plus 12 squared. So the 1 squared out here is missing since we started from n equals 2. Now we repeat this process until we reach the last summation. So this out here is this one, from n equals 12 to 12. Now, what can we observe here? Observe that if we combine these or we add these summations, what happens is that we add 1 squared once, we add 2 squared twice, here 2 squared twice, we add 3 squared thrice, and so on. For 11 squared, we add it 11 times, and for 12 squared, we add it 12 times. That means we can express these summations out here as 1 times 1 squared, since we add 1 squared once, 2 times 2 squared, 3 times 3 squared, and so on, plus 11 times 11 squared, plus 12 times 12 squared. Now multiplying these, we'll obtain 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on, plus 11 cube plus 12 cube. Now what can we observe? This out here is a sum of consecutive cubes from 1 to 12. So now, recall or note that the sum of consecutive cubes formula from 1 to n is given by quantity n times n plus 1 all over 2 squared. So we apply this to what we have. So in this case, this out here is equal to the summation from I equals 1, I cubed up until 12. So our n in this case is 12. So we just plug this into this formula. So we'll have 12 times 12 plus 1 all over 2 squared. Then we divide 12 and 2 out here to obtain 6. Then we simplify 12 plus 1 out here, so the expression inside becomes 6 times 13. Now, multiply these two inside, and we get 78. And lastly, 78 squared is simply 6084. This is our final answer. So yeah, did you got this correctly? If yes, well done. Good job. If not, that's fine. Don't hesitate to pause, rewind, or replay this video, and you may try this one again if you like. So yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something from this one, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions, recommendations, or wild reactions from this one. And if you have another solution or another way on how to solve this one, don't hesitate to chat that one below so that we could learn more about these types of problems. So yeah, that's it, and that's all for this video.